Ipot pa nag-is, no?
Moment of truth. Right? Start them young. She wants to make a snow angel.
She looked like she was gonna whip a snowball around.
Yeah. Go help Papa. Isabel.
Let's go hide.
So fine. Let's go hide. Aloy.
Yung hinahanap na snow ng mga tao nung November tapos December. January, ano ngayon? 4?
Yeah. A 5.
January 5? Ito na. yung isa.
Uy. Isabel, ang hand mo. Isabel. Isabel. Papa.
Yun naman ang ano, ang parang downside pag pag panahon ng winter, pag ang parking mo ay nasa labas.
Downside sa'yo, yung anak mo, oh. Isabel! Papa, look! Pa, look at her.
Nag-enjoy. Una kasi ano to eh, no? Ganito kalakas na ano.
I think this is the start.
Oh. So, baka
Wait lang,
wala
matigas na ang... Daddy, maano na, makulog na kamot.
So, yan na po. Winter na. Ngayon yung talagang nag-snow na dito sa Saskatoon City. Yan, at makapal lang snow. So, tamang-tama pupunta tayo sa Lakewood Medical Center? Clinic? Oh, tamang-tama pupunta tayo.
Okay. Okay.
At papacheck upan natin yung mata ni Isabel kasi namumula dito. Baka kung naano yan.
Pink eye.
Yan. So, bibidyoin natin papunta doon. Tingnan natin yung kung gaano kasama ang kalsada. Pero,
Dad, I think wala pa to sa kalingkingan. This is just like, ano lang, sprinkle.
Pero ano na, nagsisimula na. Baka ay tuloy-tuloy na to hanggang March. Pero baka hindi naman. Baka ngayon lang tuminggo.
4 p.m. daw mag-stop na.
Mag-stop na mga...
Tapos meron ulit tomorrow. Snow.
Yun lang pag panahon ng winter, pag ang sasakyan nyo nasa labas, maglilinis kayo. Mas maganda yung meron pa yung sariling garage.
Kagaya ng aking brother.
Yeah. Kami kasi nasa apartment, kaya nasa labas. Meron mga apartment na nasa ilalim yung parking. So, yun na punta muna tayo ng Lakewood Medical Center siguro yan. Okay. So,
Lakeside
Medical
Clinic.
Medical Clinic. Yan. So, at gamitin natin ating GoPro. So, let's go.
No, Didi.
Dumaan muna kami dito sa Starbucks kasi 2 oras yung hihintayin namin. Para sa check-up ni Isabel. Medyo matagal-tagal.
May family doctor kami. Kaso tumawag ako, fully booked today, which is always expected with that clinic. Talagang maraming patients. Tapos, I think, konti lang ang doctors nila. I used to work there. So, CCFP. So, at least, we're lucky na itong clinic na to is accepting walk-in. We've been here like, how many days? How many times na?
Ang kagandahan pa sa clinic na to ay ang tapat laruan ng mga bata. Indoor playground. Kung nga. Ay baka marinig. Kain lang. Pero medyo okay na rin yung ano niya. Mata na niya na.
Pero buti ng
kahapon lang.
maagap.
Bel, pulot.
Pick it up. Please. Ito pati yung batang to pag nakikita na alam niya na eh. Mama, Starbucks. Birthday, ano yun?
Birthday cake pop.
Birthday cake pops. O kaya, sabi niya, Timmy's.
Tim Hortons.
Ang gusto niya sa Timmy's, herb and garlic. Anong favorite mo sa Timmy's? Herb and garlic.
Herb and garlic pastry.
Mahilig din to sa
Ayan.
tinapay eh.
Masarap kasi. Gusto ko yung jalapeno nila.
Ubus mo na yung order ko, love. Akin na to. Check ko. Oh, teka,
Ano
teka.
naman?
Teka, inaagawan ako. Thank you, mama.
Bel.
No daw. Daddy.
No?
That's mama's order.
That's Mama.
Okay. Ito kinain na. Tinatanong naman. Look sa video ni Papa.
Bel. Hindi ka makakain masyado, no? Kita mo.
Root canal.
Kahapon ay nagpa-root canal siya.
Pagka mahal-mahal.
Magkano yung binayaran mo?
Hindi, insurance.
Yan. Cover nga ng ano pala.
Pero ano pa,
Mga
hinihintay
insurance.
pa kung ano.
Pero magkano lahat nun?
1,500. So, in peso, 1,500 times. Sabihin na natin 40. Do the math. Sige. Ano po? 1,500 times.
60,000.
Para lang 60,000 pesos.
Wala.
Hindi, sabi talaga ni Mama, mahal pala talaga yan. It's out. Nire-research ko. Nag-research ako kung kailan tapos na.
Ano lalagay?
Crown daw, crown. So ito,
Lalagyan ka ng ganyan?
sabi. Kaya i-check ang insurance kung kaya pa.
Kaya pa ng insurance. Sakit.
Ito, nakita ko talaga to.
Oh. Ben, ano ka?
Check ang eyes.
Check ang eyes mo. Pwede daw ka eyes. See ang eyes mo. Habot ang nose. Pa-check ang nose.
No. Check. No.
Bel. Excited to see the doctor? Ano sasabihin mo sa doktor? Itchy ang eye?
Which eye? Oh. Excited to see the doctor? Yes. I know. So,
That's okay. Any fevers?
no.
No. And is she healthy?
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
She if it wasn't red, it wasn't crusting. She said to me yesterday, it's itchy.
It's itchy. Do you want this? Want to hold this? It goes, I'll show you. It goes beep. If you pull this, it goes beep. Do you want to try? Do you want to push that? No, that's okay. Otherwise, that's awesome. Can I look in your eye? Can I show you my cool light here?
Show your eyes, baby.
Okay, ready? So just look right at me, okay? Look in my eyes, and I'm gonna look in yours.
She's
What's okay? You can look right at me. She's like, I gotta come to it.
No, maybe
How about we come over here then, so we can see? Yes. Can you look all the way up at the lights? Look all the way up there. Yeah, just like that. Look all the way up. And then I'm just gonna go like this. I'm just gonna tickle you underneath the eye. Look all the way up. You just want to look down still at it. Look all the way up here.
Look up, baby.
Look all the way up.
Look up. Look, hiling sa taas.
Oh yeah, I should.
Like that.
Yeah. So, do you think that just because of the time, I might cancel it just because is it contagious? Like it's viral.
Yeah, the 14th.
Yeah.
She will not be contagious by then.
Okay.
She'll be okay.
Okay.
The max that any virus would last would be 10 days. Her eye will look much better by then.
Okay,
I honestly bet by early next week she'll be fine.
Okay. So give her nothing right now.
No, just leave it. It's okay.
Okay.
If you wanted to put some like a warm towel on her eye, you can, but
Okay.
she's probably gonna fight you on it.
Oh yeah, just because she's usually not like having crust on her eye even on a normal day. So when we woke up yesterday, it was just too much, and today, just like when we were waiting outside, I saw also a crust in here.
Yeah.
So I was like, is it going to the other eye?
That's okay. It probably.
Years.
What will you say, baby?
So we shouldn't be so concerned. No. Okay. Yeah, she's actually not bug bited. We're just I'm the one.
Tapos na kami ng check-up ni Isabel. Tumigil ng snow. Ang ganda na ng oras. Napakalamig yan. Bel. 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 Okay na? Yep. Yan. Hindi kami masyado nagtakal pero yun o. Cover na naman ng yelo. So yan at okay naman yung check up ni Isabel. Anong sabi ng doktor?
Nothing to worry about.
Ayan.
2 hours and a half of waiting.
Nag-worry lang kami kasi malapit na yung birthday niya. So baka so, to make sure lang na okay siya yung mata niya
And hindi makakahawa.
hindi makakahawa. So hindi naman daw. At yun at tumigil na yung snow. Tumigil na rin yung basura. Ang basurahan namin dito sa apartment. Yan. So, are you okay na, bebe? Are you okay na? Oh, okay na. So, magiging okay na daw yan. Mga isang araw pa siguro or dalawa, okay na yan. So, yun at yun lang ang vlog natin ngayong araw. Pinakita lang namin sa inyo na excited kami kasi umulan na ng snow. Kaya excited din kami na ipakita sa inyo na nakakaano kasi na dito sa Saskatchewan, dito sa Saskatoon na November walang snow, Christmas and New Year walang snow. So ngayon ay meron na. Kaya medyo nakakainis maglinis ng sasakyan pag umaga. Pag aalis kayo na umuulan ng snow, kailangan maglinis. So, thank you po sa panonood at see you na naman sa aming mga susunod na vlog dito sa Saskatoon City.
Maybe sa next time nag-play na tayo sa
Ay, may pupuntahan pala tayo sa Martinsville. Diba? Oo. So, ibablog namin yon. May bagong bukas na doon. Filipino yun, coffee shop. Parang milk tea ganun sa Martinsville. So, mga 30 minutes drive yun simula dito sa amin. So, soon yun. Sa susunod na vlog siguro natin sana. Na isama natin yun. So, yun po at thank you sa panonood.